Respect to the eye.
Yeah, my brother. So, let them know where they are Boston. What
Yes,
their name again?
With our Boston, Portland, my name is Dennis Maxwell, yeah?
Yeah, man, straight. Hold up some of the beat them in it so I can see in the shop.
Okay,
Yeah, man.
like this one.
Yeah, man.
Man, I hear and say, yeah. It's a my producer, you know.
Yeah, man, it's a good big man.
Yeah, man,
Serious.
go to the mountain and look for beat them.
Yeah, man.
The one on the Nichols, otherwise.
Yeah, man, I know Nickel, man.
Big one,
One them where you rub and then can burn you.
Yes, you go to gas school and you root. We use this and burn one.
Yo, you know, say that sell it to me though.
This one,
Nickel,
our chestnut, they call it carcoon. That's the regular name, you understand me?
Yes, sir.
But give thanks. This is the work. Then we have some over here, so you have
I like your work, man.
The red bead, them, and the white one, them, they call them
I like your work.
and white coffee, you know?
It's much better than
yeah, man, and brother, okay, respect. Give thanks to the eye, yeah?
Yeah, man, that's nothing, man.
Yeah, man.
If there's some people that come your way, man, I send them, man.
Yeah, man, they right over here.
Because
I mean, if you want my number, you know.
yeah, man, Boston, take your number, shout out your number on the record.
372-7952, you know, Dennis, my name.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, big man.
Yeah,
man.
When they come, you can call and they get me immediately.
Alright, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright, sir. Respect you, sir.
Brother bless.
Yeah, man.
Full joy.
Yeah, man. Blessed. Respect.
My respect.
So, Boston, Portland, with it.
Yeah, with our Boston, Portland, I know still.
Yeah, man. Yeah, and their name Dennis and then give you information and everything. So link him on there Portland.
Yes,
Portland is a mad place. I'm sure I come out of the video because a world is I put to you know.
Yes, man.
I not cut out nothing.
Respect, man. Yeah,
alright.
I may have some different one. This one is the red one.
Just trust me, man. If I have more to spend, I would just buy more. But you know,
yes, man.
I have to hold it down.
Man, give thanks to life, yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks to
said way, my brother.
Yeah, man. Respect. I say product.
Yeah, man. Up. Manners. Blessed. Blessed. Yeah, man. Respect.